Hello everybody. In this short video tutorial I'm going to show you how to sign up for the course called International Exams Preparation Course. First you have to sign up in this web page. Go to canvas.instructor.com/login/canvas and click on Need an Account. Click on I am a student. The join code that you're going to type here is 67ABED. You need to type your full name, then you're going to create a username. Please remember this username. If you don't do it, if you forget it, you need to create another account with a different username and password. So the username that I'm going to create, I need to remember it. I need to copy it in a different piece of paper or in my email so I can remember. The password, whatever you want. And we are ready to begin. In the course you're going to find some sample tests. The first one is a TOEIC sample test that you can take. There are some video tutorials for different exams, tips for when taking different exams, and you have other options here in the menu. You can attend to conferences, you can check out your grades, you can participate in forums, and you can send me even emails through the inbox. I recommend that you explore the platform, the course, and if you have any difficulty, please don't hesitate to ask. Send me an email or just contact me through my Skype account. I'm going to leave you all the details in the description of this video. Thank you very much.